Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to use zk.money and I'm going to explain what exactly is zk.money, what are they trying to do, and I will also tell you why I think you should test it right now. So let's start. First of all, zk.money is a product created by Aztec.network. And zk.money is their first product and this is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. So as you know, layer 2 is supposed to solve all the Ethereum problems and zk.money is the working version on the mainnet of layer 2 solution created by Aztec company. So as you can see, public ERC20 transfers take around 45,000 of gas. On zk.money, right now we have a testnet of turboplonk and gas per transaction is only 5,000, which is 9 times cheaper. When ultraplonk is implemented, that will be only 3,000 gas per transaction. So as you can see, on layer 2 you will be able to save a lot of money for transactions, but this is not the biggest advantage of zk.money, because zk.money allows you to send and receive payments anonymously. So this is like a privacy layer for Ethereum. So that being said, let's move to zk.money and let me show you how to use it. First of all, once you get to zk.money, you'll have to connect your MetaMask wallet. So make sure you are on Ethereum mainnet and then click connect. Choose MetaMask. And once MetaMask pop-up shows up, you need to click on sign button. And as soon as you do this, you are connected to zk.money. And then the first thing we need to do is to pick our username, because on zk.money our Ethereum address will be connected with our username. So over here we can just choose any username we want. And thanks to that, people will be able to send us cryptocurrencies on zk.money just by sending it to our username. So it's like on PayPal, you've got email address, here you would have a username. So I'm just going to type in CryptoSkylark, hit register, and as soon as we do this, our account is being created. And in order to prevent spam and bots from registering millions of different usernames, there is a requirement to send 0.01 Ethereum from layer 1 to layer 2. Thanks to that, we will be able to register our username. So over here, you need to type in the amount of Ethereum you want to send to layer 2. I'm just going to send 0.01, but of course, if you want to send more, you can do that as well. Once you type in the amount of Ethereum you want to send to zk.money, you need to hit deposit and then confirm the transaction in a MetaMask window by clicking confirm. As you can see, the transaction gas fee is around $9 at the moment. Of course, it depends on the congestion of Ethereum mainnet. So hit confirm. And right now our transaction is being confirmed. This may take from a few minutes to up to even 30 minutes, depends on the gas that we put in. Once our transaction is confirmed, in the right top corner you will see your reserved nickname, your username, and using this username people will be able to send cryptos to you. And of course all of it will be anonymous. And on layer 2 zk.money, like I mentioned before, you can have private transactions. In order to do that, you would have to click on shield and then shield the amount of Ethereum that you want. And this shielded Ethereum can be used on layer 2 to be sent anonymously. I'm not going to demonstrate how to shield it right now because that transaction would cost around $10 of shielding, and as you saw, I sent only $20 to layer 2. And why am I presenting zk.money to you today? Because zk.money doesn't have their own token yet. And as you know, many crypto projects like to reward their early users by doing airdrops. And zk.money is on very early stage, so I would recommend you to test out, because maybe in the future everyone who has their own username reserved will get an airdrop. Will it happen? We don't know, but I think it's worth testing out zk.money, and maybe in the future we will be rewarded for doing so. And that would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about zk.money, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.